Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Thursday, June 4th. I'm James Spann. A blanket of humidity will stay in place across Alabama for the next 7 days. Each day, scattered showers and storms. And, of course, we're watching carefully Tropical Storm Cristobal. A lot to talk about. Let's go. Here's the upper air look across the country. Early this morning, we got ridging in place here across the deep south, typical for summer. The jet stream is up near the Canadian border. And the radar early this morning at 4:48. Nothing happening across our state, but later today, scattered showers and storms will fire up in the moist, unstable air. Starting off today in the upper 60s and low 70s, highs mid to upper 80s in most spots today. Flash flood watches in effect now for Southeast Louisiana and the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and also for South Florida in advance of Cristobal. And again, we got excessive heat warnings back in the southwest United States. Severe storms possible today, mainly north of Alabama, in a broad zone from the Great Plains over to the Atlantic coast. The northern part of the state, the Tennessee Valley, with a marginal risk. This is tomorrow. A couple of marginal risks well to the north and west of here. And on day 3, which is Saturday, an enhanced risk over parts of South Dakota. This is their tornado season, June and July up there. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and obviously the bigger amounts will be around the Gulf Coast region in association with Cristobal, the tropical storm. Heavier totals most likely across southeast Louisiana. New Orleans could see 4 to 7 inches with this. The amount's not quite as bad on the Alabama, northwest Florida Gulf Coast. And let's talk about Cristobal. This thing is inland. The circulation center is over the Yucatan of Mexico. The top wind's down to 40 miles per hour. This will become a tropical depression today over land. And then by tomorrow evening, it moves northward back over the water. And as that happens, it will likely strengthen back into a tropical storm. Here's the latest track from the Hurricane Center. No major change. This will likely come onto the Louisiana coast Sunday night as a tropical storm with 65 mile per hour winds. The remnant circulation moving up into Arkansas by Monday night. Again, the model's in good agreement. This is the Gfs Ensemble. The member is very tightly clustered. You can see kind of a bend back to the west across Louisiana. Then it gets up in the westerlies and moves northeast. The intensity guidance, really, it's been coming down of late, showing a weaker tropical storm coming up on the coast. And again, there's one outlier that ramps it up to a minimal hurricane. But again, very tightly clustered. There's good agreement there. So you got a beach trip. What do? Let's go through the day-by-day modeling and talk about that. This is the GFS, the 06E run at 4 o'clock today. Little weakness in the ridge here, so we'll see a number of showers and storms. But like yesterday, it's not going to rain everywhere. But if you're underneath one of those heavier storms, you might see over an inch of rain. Better chance of those after 12 noon. Otherwise, partly sunny with highs in the 80s today. Same thing tomorrow. Warm, muggy, scattered showers and storms. No change Saturday. And understand, Saturday's not going to rain all day, but you'll have these things around. And then here comes Cristobal. This is Sunday at 4 o'clock. The GFS a little farther east on this run on the approach. It's got it near the mouth of the Mississippi River. This is the European, pretty similar. And again, remember the wet side, it's the east side, along and east of the circulation center. So needless to say, Sunday will be a pretty wet day for the Gulf Coast of Alabama, northwest Florida. This is Sunday night, just after midnight, 1 a.m., and it's inland moving northwest into South Louisiana, west of New Orleans. So how much rain will fall? This is the rain output through Monday night, between now and Monday night. So this counts rain that occurs today down there. There'll be scattered storms. And you can see for the Alabama Gulf Coast, the Florida Panhandle, rain amounts mostly in the 2 to 4 inch range. The really big numbers back over southeast Louisiana. And for the weekend, it's not going to rain the whole time, and I do think the sun breaks out occasionally. But yeah, it's going to be unsettled, no doubt about that. And people go down there for different reasons. I would not hesitate to go. I've said that for days. But if you're looking for just, 10 hours of sunshine, you're not going to get that this weekend. You'll deal with occasional showers and storms. This is wind Sunday night, and this is 10-meter wind. This is not right at the surface, and the velocity is just not that bad for Florida's Gulf Coast and the Alabama Gulf Coast. And this is in miles per hour. Values there really 10 to 25 miles an hour. And down at the surface, it would be even lower than that. The higher wind velocities across southeast Louisiana, coastal Mississippi, and even there, wind will not be a big impact. This is mainly a big rain producer. So, again, Sunday night, breezy, wet at times. And then after that, showers begin to thin out next week. Now, let's go to Monday. The remnant circulation is around Shreveport. And obviously, we'll be in a muggy, moist air mass, so we'll have showers and storms about, but even inland, it's not going to rain all day. Same thing for the Gulf Coast. Tuesday, the circulation is moving up into Missouri. Wednesday, it's over Michigan. And a week from today, this is Thursday, the 11th of June, ridging here, and a drier air mass tries to push in. That's interesting. Could Cristobal push a front down through here with drier air? We always doubt that in June, July, August, but we'll see. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 13th. Upper high, 594 high west of the state. And that looks pretty quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble. You're looking for the mean, the green line. That's come down about 1.5 to 2 inches here for the next 15 days. Highs mostly upper 80s through mid-June. Lows around 70. And I like this. This is the CPC outlook, June 11th through the 17th, suggesting temperatures could be a little below average, and we'll take that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.